My heartiest congratulations to the awardees. To our civil servants, we are showing our appreciation for the hard work of those who, in countless ways, help improve and safeguard our country. We take notice of the vast array of services provided and acknowledge that for each day of our lives, we depend on the work of civil servants.
Citation to all our esteemed nominees. You have worked hard. You have made your mark. You stood out. You have made us proud. You have all committed self, skills, professionalism, time, and effort for a better Jamaica. You have placed country above self. Thank you for your dedication and sterling service. Do continue to shine.
For the third place winner, it is my pleasure to announce that Mr. Dale Miller from the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development is in third place. Thank you. And now it is time to announce the second place winner, Miss Carol Jones, Ministry of Tourism. The first place is Mrs. Carrie-Ann Spalding from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade.
Rising impressively through the ranks of her organization, she displayed exceptional customer service skills while demonstrating a seriousness of purpose and a keen attention to detail. She has earned the trust and respect of her clients, internally and externally, and her level of maturity, vision, and insight exceeds the expectation of her role, thus enhancing the operations of the entity. She contributes to the welfare of her colleagues while utilizing creative approaches to the organization's community outreach, which initiatives have redounded to her own personal development. Demonstrated through her professionalism and commitment to the public service, and as endorsed by the testimonials of her colleagues, she is worthy to be declared Civil Servant of the Year.